to make this video real quick to kind of talk to you guys about what feelings I'm having about my hair. I don't know if it's this quarantine or the fact that I haven't been outside, or that I've been watching a whole bunch of YouTube videos, or what. But I kind of want to go back to loose natural hair. My boyfriend was like, I knew it. I knew this one would last. But I really like, oh my gosh. Like I just want, you know, the curls, like defined curls. And I don't know, cause I felt like this a little bit with my old locks, but it wasn't more of I want to go back to loose natural. It was more of I want Microlocs, which is what I did. And I had issues with the locks as well. So, you know, obviously I combed them out and got these instead. But now the issue that I'm having, or the feeling that I'm having, is I think it's the lack of volume that I'm having or something. I don't know, because I really miss like, and I keep seeing like my bottom curls and stuff, and the bottom parts of my hair that are like loose and stuff. I'm like, I kind of want my hair back, or my natural curls back. Like, I have retained so much length from my old set and this 1 month of having Microlocs. I don't know. I really don't know, because I know that it's gonna be a pain in the butt to take these out. A pain in the butt. I don't know, because like this section here is super frizzy and the hair doesn't know where to go. Like in this section. And then let me show you in the back what I'm dealing with. Okay, I have this section in the back, okay? I have that section in the back where that area is super like, I think that's one of my loose areas, like texture wise. But why is there that much hair when I literally just interlocked you like a week and a half ago? I don't know, I just feel like since my hair is longer now, and if I take out my locks, obviously it'll be longer. Like my natural hair will be longer compared to when I put my first set of locks in. I feel like I'll have more fun, or like I haven't had my hair at this length before. I haven't reached waist length with my loose natural hair, and that was like one of my big goals, to reach waist length with my natural hair. I think it's like, I'm seeing a lot of social media of people with the curls and people with hair that had curls like mine and stuff like that. I'm just like, I just want to wash my hair and feel the water, like, you know, because I'm braiding and banding right now, so I can't like have the water just flow through my hair and stuff like that. And I don't know. I love these so much, but I know I could have installed them better. I don't know. I feel like if I do like comb these out or whatever and go back to loose natural, I will of course go back to locks. Like, no doubt about it. This is probably the most liberating thing ever. But I don't know. My boyfriend is kind of mad. I mean, it's not his hair, but he also encouraged me to get locks and Microlocs. Like, I just feel like I haven't done everything I want to with my loose natural hair yet. But I feel like if I leave my hair out, and after I get married, and after I have a career, so I'm in nursing school right now. After all of that happens, and I decide to get locks again, I'll probably actually go to a sister lock consultant and get sister locks instead of doing them myself. Because then I definitely know that I would not take them out, because I'm not gonna waste over $1,000 I believe in myself. Yes, I wasted a week's worth, 10 days worth of time. Yeah, I just know I'll probably go to an actual sister lock consultant and she will be able to fix or do something with the back section or whatever is going on with my edges and this extreme frizziness. Cause it's like these parts are this is like my softest, and that in the back is my softest hair. It's not even the loosest texture, it's just super soft. So it's it gets frizzy really fast. It's been what? It's been 2 weeks since I interlocked my whole entire head, right? But the damage or slippage I already have from 2 weeks in the front because I sweat and all that stuff. I don't know, I really don't know. I really love these, but I just feel like they could be better. And if I went to someone, I don't know if I can find someone who does interlocks, not specifically sister locks, and they could do it around the sides, but then start off with twists or something like that. Honestly, by the time I actually upload this video, I might have already made my decision and I might have already taken out the locks. So, I don't know. Okay, but taking down just two. Anyways, I think I know what the issue with myself is about these locks, or about locks in general. Wash day was such a full self-care thing for me. Like my wash day was like really integral for my self-care. It was how I pampered myself for the most part, I guess. Yeah, I feel like wash day, the process of actually doing my hair, putting love into it, I guess I could say, was so pivotal in my, I guess my whole entire natural hair journey. That's what I miss. Like people dread wash day, and I was like, ooh, when I get to wash my hair again, because I get to like steam my hair and detangle it and feel all the moisture being soaked up into my hair. I think that's what it is. And I can't use rice water in my locks. I used to use rice water every week. And I can't use, I can't use products, like stuff that smells good in my hair. I have to use sprays, and I don't want that. So I don't want it. Anyways, thanks for listening to me. So, I had in my other clip that you guys just saw, I was talking about me wanting to take down my Microlocs and that I miss my curls. I did start taking down, let me show you. I took down these back to rows completely. So let me show you. And I still have a lot of loose. There's a lot of loose, oh my gosh, my knees. There's a lot of loose like hairs that I need to split off. That goes up here, but whatever. Put my hair back down. I am keeping my Microlocs. I talked to my mom this morning and she was like, no, don't. She was actually laughing at me. Anyways, my boyfriend was really sad that I wanted to take them out because I was talking to him about it and he was like, are you serious? I'm like, yes, because I want my curls back. I miss my curls, but he's like, okay, well, you gotta take down your locks. And girl be like, I regret taking down my locks and not to do a wash day, and by like 2 weeks into you doing your natural hair all the time, you're gonna be sick of it and wish that you left these in. I'm not even at 2 months yet, so I am gonna keep my hair in locks. I was scrolling on Instagram and I saw, because I follow a lot of Microloc and sister lock people who have those hairstyles, and I came across 2 of my inspirations actually. Well, no, 3. Cat's Coils, Takara, and Queen. I'm like, This is a sign, isn't it? So I'm just gonna leave it. I think it's just the fact that my hair isn't like with my other locks. They still had some bling and they still kind of look curly, you know. And these just look straight, except for the ends. Yeah, I was just going through something. Obviously, I really do love my locks. That retie was not fun, but I love that it shows my length. I mean, I still get shrinkage, but not nearly as much shrinkage as I would if I had my actual hair out. But anyways, I came on camera to show you guys that I am going to redo these back 2 rows. So I need to do a whole new lock count and all that stuff when I'm done. But the reason I'm doing these last back 2 rows, like I continue taking out my locks back here, is because the first row had, I think, only 6, a whole entire row. And then the row above it, I think, had 8 the total amount in that row as well. And then the row above it has, I think, 13 or 14 in that row. So from 6 to 8 to 14, that's like a lot of space. When I showed you guys the loose hairs I was in my center part, I think that's from those 2 rows. I mean, there is some loose hairs above it too, but those 2 last rows had a lot of loose hairs. So I'm going to redo them, and I'm going to add, I'm probably gonna do like 8 and then 10 for the for those 2 rows, because they definitely need to be a lot smaller. They're pretty big, like the actual root part, because you know how they say that your lock is going to be the size of your part, and my parts in those 2 rows were really big. So it's kind of a good thing that I was doubting my hair and stuff, because now I can fix a problem that I've kind of been wanting to fix but been holding off. So I am going to do braid locks on those 2 last rows, because my hair in the twist, like the twist, because I did twist and then braid the ends, and I think that's what's making my hair, because those 2 sections are really soft hair. So I don't know, if I braid it, it won't, like hairs won't come out of it as easily. So I'll come back on camera to show you guys the updated look. Hopefully I finish it tonight, because it's not gonna be too many. I'm only braiding it. I'm not like interlocking it or anything like that. So yeah, I'll show you guys what my hair is gonna be looking like either tomorrow or the next day. So I think it's the next day. Yeah, I finished the back yesterday. So I'm going to show you the braid locks I did in the back of my hair. They're really tiny, but like appropriate size for the rest of my hair. So I will be able to see the progress of these locks compared to my twist locks on the rest of my head. The ends did still coil up, but I braided as far down as I could go. And I'm not taking these out because, nope, I'm not taking them out. Not doing it. So I finished these last night, and I hadn't like braided my hair, like done my nighttime routine for like a couple days. I just put my hair in a bun or like put it in the bonnet or whatever and went to sleep. So yesterday I tried to put in the clip of a little video I took, but yesterday my hair was swanging, okay? It was swanging. So this is how long it is right now. And this is a braid out from braiding and banding. So yeah, thank you guys for watching this video and my indecisiveness and my realization that yes, I'm keeping my locks. Don't forget to comment, like, and subscribe. And tell me in the comments down below if you guys ever, you know, made a lock decision and then, you know, just wanted to take it out a couple weeks later. I'll catch you guys in another video. Bye.